For making room entry, click on to indent and select room entry. Enter the room number, item name and issued quantity. Click on to save option. Room entry saved successfully. For making room return entry, click on to indent and select room return entry. Enter the room number, room IS number. Once you enter room IS number, the details automatically fills up. Enter the return quantity. Click on to save option. Room entry saved successfully. For viewing purchase bill, click on to reprint and select purchase bill. Enter the bill number and select bill view option. The purchase invoice has been displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing purchase return, click on to reprint and select purchase return. Enter the bill number and select view option. The purchase return invoice has been displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing gate pass, click on to reprint and select gate pass. Enter the bill number and select view option. The gate pass has been displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing inward details, click on to reprint and select inward. Enter the bill number and select view option. The inward details has been displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing item-wise details, click on to report and select item-wise issue. Enter the from date and to date. Click on to view. The item-wise issue report is displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing inward details, click on to report and select inward details. Enter the from date and to date. Click view option. The inward return form has been displayed. Click escape to close the form. For viewing inward balance details, click on to report and select inward balance details. Enter the party name and click view option. The inward balance detail is displayed. Click escape to close the form. Making room entry and room return entry along with viewing report bills and reprint bills has been done successfully. Thank you.